Parang naging milestone na rin ng buhay ko. Tapos, lahat ko na napunta dito, love ko. You touched my life. And may wish lang po ako sana with my growing years be with me. And thank you sa lahat. Thank God for giving me you, everyone. And for my family, mama, papa, maraming salamat. Alam ko hindi, for giving me not just what I need, but what I want all the time. I promise to dedicate my life to God and to do everything to repay you what you've given me. So, sana makagraduate ka nursing. Ayan, ba?
Yes.
B1.
B1.
Ayun kasi, you've lessened the rough times of college. And high school, at alikod, yun.
B1.
I love you all. And thanks for coming. And I hope you.
Yeah.